Vande Mataram. Myself Sangeeta Adi. I am studying in 7th labor class. Today I am going to speak about rebel. What is rebel? A person who is opposite to all the thing is known as rebel. And this poem is written by D.J. Enright. Our first stanza is like this. When everybody has short hairs, rebel grow his hairs long. When everybody has long hairs, the rebel cut his hairs short. The people all have short hairs. The rebel grow his hairs long. He grows his hairs long and become different from everyone. But when others have long hairs, the rebel cut his hairs short, and in this way he look different from everyone, and he is keep going his identity. Next one, the poet is explaining us about his lesson. When everyone is talking during the lesson, the rebel does not speak a word. When no one is talking in the lesson, the rebel create a disturbance. In the class, there is a question answer class, and every student is asking questions, and rebel does not speak a word, and he is quite listening to the others carefully. But when there is a lecture class, the rebel make disturbance to become outstanding, and he is satisfied with his act. The poet is explaining now about his uniform he wear to the school. In this stanza, the poet is telling about the rebel wear fantastic clothes when other wear plain and simple clothes. And when other wear plain and simple clothes, the rebel wear fantastic clothes. In this way, we can identify the rebel easily. In the company of the dog Love, the rebel express performance to the cat. And in the company of the cat, the rebel will make a few words about dog. Here when people are talking about a dog, the rebel will choose cat, and he will say some good words about cat. But when the people will talk about the cat, the rebel will say some words about the dog. When people want rain, the rebel want sunny. Here the people want the rainy days. They are enjoying the rainy days. The rebel wants sun to come out. And when the rebel is praying for the rain and cloudy, and others are praying for the sun. And in the next stanza, the poet explains us about the meeting. Here, when rebel is going for the meeting and other students sit at home and read a book. When others sit at home and read the book, the rebel go to the school and attend the meeting. And when everybody stay at home and the rebel go for school and attend the meeting and gathering. When everyone go to the meeting and the gathering, the rebels stay at home and read books. Here the poet is telling us that rebel is opposite to all the things. The poet says that the rebel is a good thing for the society. It is very good to have among us. It fills us in a fall of colors, and without rebel the world will be only one color. By saying this, thank you.